Many Taiwanese perceive urban exploring as dirty and dangerous. I hear a great number of ghost stories, and I'm often asked why I do it. For me, it's mostly the beauty, and to a lesser extent, the history. I love seeing how Mother Nature has reclaimed man-made structures. The contrast makes for some unique pictures, and the historical importance of keeping a record is the bonus. This school was established in the 1950s, but it looks modern. It consists of 2 giant white stone behemoths, just like most schools in Taiwan. But what makes it unique is an extra red brick building with a collapsed roof. And across a small road, some old accommodation blocks and kitchen areas. These are the most derelict, and for me, the most beautiful. An aging population and the isolated location likely contributed to its decline and financial problems. In the late 90s, the school encountered serious troubles and was eventually declared bankrupt. A small part of the school is still in use, so I respected that area by not approaching it. I read online that a driving school operates there. Mostly the large buildings are just empty halls and corridors with a few bits and pieces left behind. Luckily, a shutter had been left open so I could access the roof. As I walk around the school, it's actually very serene and peaceful. No sound, and I get to imagine what life would have been like if I went to this school. No sign of the numerous ghost stories that can be found online. Faces in windows, flushing toilets, and young girls singing la 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 in the corridors. And the basement, which gave me a nice contrast, the mountain view and a chance to explore the depths. This is the first explore that I've done alone, and it adds an extra element of tension, but also a strange, unexplainable serenity. Nature and time are stronger than anything man-made. The older buildings of the original school are the best place to see life abutting death. And as such, my favorite part. Here, there are damaged bunk beds, easels, various equipment and signs of decay. The missing windows and roofs where the local flora has pushed itself back into the dominating position. I like the traces of fire damage and rust, hinting at stories long lost. But most of all, I like the beauty hidden in something so ugly.